Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the camera ready and opening its menus. First, make sure battery power is healthy and the camera is powered on. This prevents interruptions. Next, rotate the mode dial off the movie position so you can change settings. Once done, press menu to access the movie or video tab. You do this because movie mode locks some functions. Accessing the menu lets you control what stays active versus what switches back to stills. Now you dive into the middle steps to turn movie mode off. Use the multi-controller or touchscreen to open the movie or video submenu. Make sure you highlight movie shooting or movie mode. Choose the option that disables continuous movie operation, either set movie mode to OFF or switch to manual exposure or photo mode. You do this because some cameras require switching shooting modes rather than toggling a single switch. Changing these settings, finish by confirming the change and handling common hiccups. Exit the menu, then check the top LCD or electronic viewfinder to confirm the dial and on-screen indicator show photo or off rather than a red record icon. Press the shutter halfway to verify autofocus behaves like still shooting. If the camera refuses to leave movie mode, power cycle it, remove the battery briefly, or reset custom functions. These steps clear temporary locks and restore expected menu behavior, so you can resume normal shooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.